Sometimes it can be a little tricky to write equations for horizontal and vertical lines, especially now that we're asking you to write in standard form. So let's look at the first example here. It wants us to write the standard form of the equation of a horizontal line through 6, -5. Now let's think about this for a second. If you were going to plot the point 6, -5, I sketch a graph here. There's 6, -5. So the point would be right in here. If I wanted to draw a horizontal line through that point, and pick a different color besides white. Okay. You can see our line goes through, if I draw a little bit better here, our line goes through -5 on the y-axis. Well, we talked about that before when we said x is vertical and y is horizontal. We know if we have a horizontal line, it means it's going to be y equals, and well, what does y equal? It equals -5. It's a horizontal line through -5. That's standard form. Again, don't overthink it. Don't think you need to write 0x plus y equals -5. There's nothing wrong with that, except that's just extra wasted space. Okay? So our standard form is how you have already been writing these type of lines, or these type of equations. Horizontal line is and if it's going through the point 6, -5, that means it's always going to go through -5 on the y-axis, so y equals -5. The same thing is true if we had to draw a vertical line. So let's just sketch this, and you don't need to draw a graph every time you want to do these, but I just want to show you our x value is -2, our y value is -7. So it's going to be about right here. Okay? Oops. If I wanted to draw a vertical line through -2, -7, it would look similar to this. A vertical line through -2, -7. Well, remember, as we've said before, the equation of vertical line is x equals, well, what is x going to equal? X will always equal -2. So don't stress about standard form. Standard form of vertical and horizontal lines is the same that you've been doing. If it's a horizontal line, it's going to be y equals whatever number it's going through. If it's a vertical line, it's going to be x equals whatever number x is. Okay, so standard form of horizontal and vertical lines is just y equals and x equals.